morning. Deliberations are set to resume tomorrow in the State Trooper Brian North trial. Today, both sides made their closing arguments and handed the case over to the jury.
They did. North is charged with manslaughter in connection to the shooting death of Mubarak Suleiman after a chase that was back in 2020. NBC Connecticut's Briseida Landaverde joining us live from outside the courthouse in Milford now. Briseida.
Yeah, well, Mike and Keisha, both attorneys got an hour on the courtroom floor today. They were able to talk directly to jurors and argue each side on why Trooper North is or is not guilty of manslaughter. Now, the state also presented a rebuttal witness today.
Basically, what this crime requires is that the state prove that someone, the defendant, acting with extreme indifference to human life.
The trial of State Trooper Brian North is now in the hands of a 6-person jury. North is accused of shooting and killing 19-year-old Mubarak Suleiman on January 15, 2020, after Suleiman displayed a knife. Trooper North says he believed other officers were in danger.
And what does it show? After the window was broken, Mr. Suleiman looked to his right side, turned to his right side, and moved towards his right side.
Earlier on that January day, Suleiman had displayed a knife inside an AT&T store in Norwalk, stole his Lyft driver's vehicle, and led police on a high-speed pursuit. Troopers were able to box in Suleiman in West Haven, and an officer shattered the car window.
And within seconds, literally seconds of this window breaking, North fired 7 shots at Suleiman.
As Trooper North testified, 7 shots because that's how I was trained. 7 shots because it was one brief engagement. I shoot until the threat is over.
The state called one final law enforcement expert to the stand today who testified, saying police could have taken a pause before Trooper North opened fire.
Are you going to tell Mr. Suleiman, let's stop, hold on, got to get my boss here? We know that's not possible.
Trooper North's attorney, Frank Riccio, asked the jurors to look at the information Trooper North was provided at the time, including dispatch calls.
Norwalk is where they told via the Troop G dispatch, carjacking with a knife.
Inspector General Robert Devlin focused the jurors' attention on this body-worn camera footage, saying if Trooper North was acting in the defense of other officers, why did he not communicate that to his superiors on scene?
This is a white trooper that has just shot and probably killed a young black man. Okay, this is a big, big, big deal, okay? The bosses will go on to know. This is Moore's golden opportunity to say, look, hey, oh, I shot because I thought a cop was in danger.
Now, North has pleaded not guilty, and if he is convicted of manslaughter in the first degree with a firearm, he could face up to a 40-year sentence with a mandatory of 5 years behind bars. Live in Milford, Briseida Landaverde, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha, will send it back to you.